Part 2 of assignment 6 is to reverse the functionality of the Nightlamp program by changing the code, so that when the ambient light is low, the LED is low, and when it's bright, then the LED is bright. So all I did there is modify how we change the duty cycle. We still get the value from the ADC the same way, and the circuit is the same. The only difference is that we will subtract whatever value we get from the maximum 255. This way, if the value is very high, like 250 or whatever, then we'll get a very low duty cycle. We'll get 5 times 100 divided by 255. And then we'll also scale the voltage that's printed out on the screen accordingly. So let's see what we get. Should get a reversed functionality. I'll bring up the code right here. So you see we have a very high ADC value, but a very low voltage. And I think I can even get it even darker if I try to block out the screen. Yeah, I'm using my hand to block out the screen. We're getting voltage very, very close to 0. And as you can see, the LED is kind of just barely hanging on and flicking because of the low duty cycle. Even as I bring my hand further away and you just get some ambient light from the screen, you can see that it got brighter. And as I bring a flashlight over, you'll notice that it gets brighter still. And further away, it gets dimmer. And I'm like right on top of the photoresistor and it's very bright. Normally, if it wasn't changing, it would appear to your eye like the LED is getting dimmer as this other light is getting closer, but it's pretty clear to see that it's actually getting brighter. See? And going over, as I get closer and farther away, you can see the inverse change of the ADC values and the voltages.